Hello, little artists! Today we are going to learn how to draw a playground slide and a swinging cradle. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the slider. Now, draw two D-shaped handles on the top of the slide. Great job! Next, draw a ladder on one side so kids can climb up. Now, draw the sliding part going down nice and smooth. At the edge of the slide, draw a small cap for safety. Awesome work! Now, let's draw the swing. First, draw the two side stands. Now, draw the top bar connecting the stands. Next, draw two hanging ropes from the top bar. Now, draw the swing cradle at the bottom. Wow, that looks amazing! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's show our color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. So colorful and beautiful! Amazing work today, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, like the video, share with friends, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.